basis disability insurance period. The benefit period is the amount of time policyholders will receive monthly benefits during their lifetime. Experts usually recommend that the policy pay benefits until at least age 65, at which point Social Security disability will take over. Young people may consider buying a policy offering lifetime benefits because it will still be related inexpensive. Replacement percentage. A policy that will replace from 60% to 70% of total taxable earning is advisable. A higher replacement percentage, if available, is more expensive. Other source of income should be evaluated before deciding how much disability other disability coverage is needed. Coverage for disability resulting from either accidental injury or illness. An accident only policy is less expensive but doesn't provide adequate protection. Ideally, both accident and illness coverage should be purchased. A cost of living increase in benefits. Policies may not pay benefits for a decade or more and should keep pace with increase in the cost of living. Some companies also offer index benefit keep pace with inflation after benefit paying beings. A policy paying residual or partial benefits. This type of policy is available so that people can take part time until receive a benefit making up for lost income. A standard feature in some policies and added by a rider to others. A resident benefits policy pays partial benefits based on loss of income without an initial period of total disability. Transition benefits offered by some companies, it can offset financial loss during a post disability period of rebuilding a business or professional practice. Ongoing coverage. A non cancelable policy will continue in force as long as the premium also paid. Neither the benefit nor the premium can change. A guarantee renewable policy keeps the same benefit but may cost more over time since the insurers can keep the same benefit but many cost more over time since the insurers can increase the premium if it is increased for an entire class of policy holders. Financial stability of insurance through an agent or a rating firm.